Hello student, in this video we will study about periodic properties in our inorganic chemistry. First chapter is periodic properties. In our periodic table, there are transitional element, inner transition element, lanthanides and actinides are present. First, transitional element. In our periodic table, in this element, last electron enter penultimate cell, that is D cell. There are in all four transition series corresponding to the filling 3d, 4d, 5d and 6d orbitals. First transition series has 10 elements and this is scandium. Here scandium Sc2Zn. Atomic number of transitional element means scandium 21 is the atomic number and atomic number of zinc is 30. First transition series has 10 elements, that is Sc2Zn, and in this series electron filling of 3d cell. Second transition series yttrium Y2CD means cadmium. Atomic number of Y is 39 and atomic number of CD means cadmium is 48. As well as third transition series La HF to Hg. Each series has 10 elements. Fourth transition element or fourth transition series is incomplete with only 3 elements. At present, Ac, Rf and Db. Atomic number of Ac is 89. Rf is 104 and Db is 105. These are also known as D block element, means transitional element called as the D block element. They fill 3d, 4d, 5d and 6d orbital. Therefore, it is called as the transitional element. And this transitional element scandium to Db. Then second periodic properties is inner transition element. What is meant by inner transition element? These are called inner transition element because the last electron enter the f orbital. Okay? In this element, f orbital is being filled successively. Therefore, these are also called as the f block element. Corresponding to the filling of 4f and 5f orbitals, there are two series of inner transition element, each having 14 elements. Means first series have 14 elements, and second series have also 14 elements. Which one is the first series? First series known as the lanthanide. 4F block element. This is also known as the 4F block element. There are 14 elements from cesium, Ce to Lu, and they lie in 6 period. They are shown independently at the bottom of the periodic table and are also known as the rare earths. Second, actinides. Actinides also called as the 5F block elements. In these elements, 5F orbitals gets filled gradually. These are also 14 elements from 1990 Th means thorium to Lr and are placed separately at the bottom of periodic table below the lanthanides. Student, in this way, transitional element, inner transition element. Which element called as the transitional element and which element called as the inner transition element? In our next lecture, we will discuss about advantage of long form of the periodic table. Thank you, student.